are going to discuss. Right. What is the matrices mean? The elements in the elements already I tell matrices mean it is the indirectly straight lines. The straight lines concept they are going to solve by the real number process. Real number process. Straight lines we are solving the equation solving method. They are doing in the real number process is called as a matrices. So once again I am telling everyone observe. So Ronnie joined. Right. See the horizontal lines. I will take the 3 horizontal lines. So 1, 2, 3 horizontal line. I will draw the 2 vertical lines. So this is the 1 vertical line and 1 vertical line. This is the common point. This is the first line and first common point. This is the first line, second common point. Okay, na? Second line, common point. Is it clear? This is the second line, first common point. This is the second line, second common point. This is the third line, first common point. This is the third line, second common point. Okay, na? Right. I am going to rub these points. Everyone see? I am rubbing the lines. I am rubbing the lines. Everyone carefully observe. I am rubbing the lines. So now I am going to carefully observe. I am going to rub the lines. Everyone observe carefully. I am going to rub the lines. Now we can see this is the points, common point. This common point we should be taken as a rectangular form. Rectangular form. These are the common point we take in the rectangular form. That rectangular form is called as a matrices. Okay, na? This rectangular form is called as a matrices. That means straight line methods we are going to solve by the real number process is called as a matrices. Okay, na? The points or numbers can be arranged in the rectangular form. See, Abhay, so this is the one point of intersection. One point of intersection, not a point of intersection. So we draw the 3 lines and 2 vertical line, 1 point of intersection. Point of intersection. Okay, na? Any example is there? Any example? Common point means any example is there? So this is the common point means the example is needed. Is telling. So this is the line. These are the line. These are the lines. So this is the 2 lines are intersecting. This is the one common point. 2 lines are intersecting. This is the one common point. 2 lines are intersecting. It is the one common point. These 2 lines are intersecting. Common point. 2 lines are intersecting. Common point. 2 lines are intersecting. That is the common points. Okay, na? That is the common points. Yeah. Right. See, we take the numbers or letters in the form of a rectangular is called as a matrices. Okay, na? So matrices mean we are going to take some numbers. What is the numbers in rectangular form? First line, first element, first line, second element, first line, third element, and dotted, first line, nth element. First line, first element, first line, second element, first line, third element, dotted, first line, nth element. Okay, na? So next, second line, first element, second line, second element, second line, third element, dotted, second line, what is the second line? Nth element. Second line, nth element. So I am going to write these type of the lines repeated. So mth line, first element, mth line, second element, mth line, third element, dotted, nth line, nth element. So here, how many lines are there? How many lines are there? How many horizontal lines? How many vertical lines? How many horizontal lines? How many vertical lines? So how many horizontal lines here? 1, 2. How many horizontal lines is the M horizontal line? 1, 2. Up to how many lines? M horizontal line. Vertical lines is N vertical line. So therefore, the order of the matrix is it have M horizontal line, N vertical line. This is called order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. Okay, right? This is called order of the matrix. This is called order of the matrix. Okay, right? This is called order of the matrix. So this matrix is represented by the symbol of capital letter. So capital A is the symbol of the matrix. Capital A is the symbol of matrix. So this is the matrix symbol. Matrix symbols are represented by capital letters. Numbers or letters are represented by small letters. Numbers means no small. Letters should be represented by small letters. Okay, na? So elements. So these are the elements. Elements are points of the matrices. Elements are points of the matrices. And in terms of letters is represented by small letters. Numbers never be small numbers or big numbers is not there. Okay, na? This total general form, this is called general form of the matrix. This is called general form of matrix. This is called general form of the matrix. The general form of the matrix is simply represented by. So what is the A is the symbol of the matrix. This total is represented by Aij. So Aij is the general element. General element. This is called general element. What is the position of this general element? See, what is the position of this element? First row, third element. First row, third element. What is the position of this element? See, second row, second row, second element. Second line, second element. Okay, na? Second horizontal line, second element. What is this is mth line, first element. In the same way, Aij is called as a general element. So this is the simply represented by matrix form. This is the general element. The Ij are indicating this general element is lies in the ith row and jth column. That means ith horizontal line, ith row, and the horizontal lines are called rows, and vertical lines are called columns. Okay, na? Horizontal lines are called, so horizontal number lines are called rows, and vertical number lines are called columns. Therefore, Aij is the general element. It is in the ith row, jth column. Ith row, jth column. The order of the matrix is M horizontal line, N vertical lines. M horizontal lines and M vertical lines. This point is clear, everyone? This point is clear? This instead of this total general form, simply represented by this one. In this one, Aij is the general element. In this one, Aij is the general element. Baswaraj, what is the doubt for you? Baswaraj, now it is clear. Baswaraj, now it is clear. Yes, okay. Abhay, now it is clear. Abhay, now it is clear. Next, we can see examples and everything. So first, starting definition is clear. Abhay, now it is clear. Okay. All right. Everyone see. Everyone see. So now it is clear that right. So yeah, this matrix is order is how many horizontal lines? So generally, what is the matrix is? Matrix is the method to solve the lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines solving by the real number process. By the real number process. Okay, na? So generally, what is matrices mean? Matrices is the one method solving the straight lines, by the real number process. Okay, na? By the real number process. So lines mean 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 line is given, and x plus 2y is equal to 9 line is given. We are equating the coefficient x value and y value. Okay, na? X value and y value we are solving. This is the lines method. Solving is the lines method. But we are solving without the x, y, z. So 2, 3, first line. Okay, na? 2, 3, second line, 1, 2. This can be solved by the real number process. So the solving the straight lines by the real number process is called as a matrices. This point is clear, everyone? Okay, na? Right. See everyone. Right. First to see everyone. So I will start exercise first one. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1C. Exercise 3.1C, everyone. Exercise 3.1. What is the exercise 3.1 is? In the matrix, first problem, CM, everyone, in the matrix, capital A is the symbol of matrices. Elements are first horizontal line, to horizontal number line is 2, 5, 19 minus 7. 2, 5, 19 minus 7 horizontal number line. Second horizontal number line is 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12. Second horizontal line is, okay, right? Next, third horizontal line is root 3, 1 minus 5 and 17. Okay, right? 17. Right. What is the required? They are writing this is right. What is the required? Is the first bit is order of the matrix. Order of matrix. Second bit is the number. The number of elements. How many elements are in that one matrices? Number of elements in the matrices. And next, third bit is, everyone see third bit is write the elements. What are elements is required? What elements is required? Be first row third element, and second row first element, and third row third element, and second row fourth element, and second row third element is required. I will write, see, order amount. Order means, tell me how many horizontal lines, how many rows. Rows means horizontal line. How many horizontal rows is? First row means horizontal line, number lines. So how many rows is? First row, second row, and third row. 3 rows, 3 horizontal lines. Vertical lines count among. Vertical lines is count. Very good, very good. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. 3 by 4. 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows and 4th column is the order. 3 rows and 4th column is the order. Is it clear, everyone? Picture is clear? And Basuraj, clear? Basuraj, clear? Clear, Amma Basuraj? All right. Yes. Yes. See. So how many rows, Amma? A horizontal number line. First number line is 1. Second number line 2. Third number line is 3. First number line 2, 5, 19 minus 7 is the first number line. We should multiply that, sir. Next I will tell. Next I will tell. So 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12 is the second number line. Root 3, 1 minus 5, 12 is the third number line. First vertical line, 2, 35 root 3. Second vertical line, column 5 minus 2, 1. Third column, 19, 5 by 2 minus 5. Fourth column, minus 7, 12, 17. Okay, na? So this is number of elements need. Multiply these through 3 into 4. Multiplication will give number of elements in the matrix. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, na? Multiply order. We get the number of elements. Okay, na? Right. Write the element A13 CM. A13 means first row, third element. First row, third element. 1, 2, 3. That is equal to 19. First line, third element. First line, third element. 1, 3. First line, third element is 19. So first row, third element, 19. Next. Second row, first element. Second row, first element is 35. Third row, third element. Third row, third element. 1, 2, minus 5. Second row, fourth element. Second row, fourth element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Second row, third element, A, 2, 3. Second row, 1, 2, 3. Third element is 5 by 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? Anyone have the doubt? First line, third element. Second line, first element. First line, third element. First line, 1, 2, 3. Third element is 19. Yes, sir. Clear. Okay. Next members. Next members, you have to tell me. Amresh, clear? Atidhi, clear? Amit, clear? Clear. Very good. Clear na? Clear. Very good. Very good. Very good. Ishwari, clear. Very good. Very good. Clear number? So 1, 3 mean first line, third element. 2, 1 mean second line, first element. 3, 3 mean third line, third element. So 2, 4 means second line, fourth element. 2, 3 means second line, third element. Okay, now clear? So next one, second problem, CMR. Everyone observe the second problem. In a matrix has 24 elements. Second problem is if a matrix has 24 elements, already order is multiplied. 24 elements. Okay, na? 24 elements. What is the possible order? 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 First bit is it can have. Okay, na? Second bit also given. What if it is? What if it has 13 elements? Now multiply the order. Elements are given. Everyone see first bit is elements are number of elements. Number of elements is equal to 24. Number of elements is equal to 24. He is asking the order. He is asking the order. Means factors right now. 24 factors is, everyone observe, 1 into 24 is possible. One row, only one line, and 24 elements we can write possible. And 2 into 12 possible. 2 lines, first line 6, second line 6. 2 lines is possible. 3 lines 8 element. First line 8 element. Second line 8 element. Third line 8 elements is possible. 4 into 6. 4 lines. Each line is the 6 elements is possible. Each line is the 6 elements is possible. Is it clear? Each line is the 6 possible. Reverse order also possible. See 4 into 6. Next, no other reverse order also possible. 24 element, 1 row is 12 rows, 2 element, 8 rows, 3 element, 6 rows, 4 element. Is it also possible? Write down the first one. Only factors write down. Okay, na? 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. It's reverse order also write down. 13 elements write down. Second bit is number of elements. Number of elements is equal to 13. So now write down the fact. Only one possible. Only one is possible. Only one is possible. Okay, na? What is that one mean? So 1 into 13 or 13 into 1 is possible. Okay, na? Very good, very good. Ashwini, very good. Now go through the third problem. Now go through the third problem. If a same model, third problem, we can do the homework. Third problem, 18 elements is given, and second bit is the 5 elements is given. Just order should be write down factors. Okay, na? And now the third problem, everyone do as a homework. Fourth problem, same. Everyone see the fourth problem. Everyone see the fourth problem. Fourth problem is construct 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns, 2 horizontal number line, 2 vertical number line, 2 rows and 2 columns, 2 by 2. Matrix 2 by 2 order matrix is required. If general element is the Aij, whose elements are given by, 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 everyone see here. So what I first bit is given by Aij is a general element. So I plus j whole square by 2 first bit, and second bit and third bit also given. Second bit is Aij, general element is I by j. Third bit also given Aij, I plus 2j. Third bit is I plus 2j, Aij, general element is. So I plus 2j power raised to 2 by upon 2 is given. I will do one problem very easy. So So our third question is the homework. Right, see the first problem solution, CMI everyone. See the first problem solution in, this is called a general element. This is called general element. What is the position of general element here? Ith row, ith line, jth element. Ith line, jth element. Ith row, jth column. Ith row, jth column. Okay, na? This is the general element. First 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 order matrix mean two line, two horizontal line. That is the two lines only. First line, second line, two columns only. That is the first line, first element, first line, second element, second line, first element, second line, second element. How many rows and how many columns are here? Here columns here, 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. See, 2 rows, first row, second row. 2 column, first column, second column. First column, second column. Okay, na? So 2 rows. So first row, second row. First row, second row. Okay, na? So 2 column, first column and second column. Okay, na? Clear? So now we can see. This is the required. Here Aij is given by. What is the Aij is given? Here find out Aij is given by I plus j. So power raised to 2 upon 2. First A11, I place is the 1, J place is the 1. I place is the 1, J place is the 1. So I place is the 1, J place is the 1 square upon 2. Its value is 4 by 2 means 2. A11 value is 2. Next A12, I place is 1, J place is 2. I place is 1, J place is 2. Very good. Richard, very good. Nishad, correct. A12 CMA, I place is the 1, J place is the 2 whole square upon 2. 1 plus 2 is the 3 square is the 9 by 2. 3 square is the 9 by 2. Next, find out A21, I place is the 2, J place is the 1 square by 2. Its value also 9 by 2. Its value also 9 by 2. A22, find out. I place also 2, J place also 2 whole square by 2. 16 by 2 value is 8. Values represent here. Values is represent. So A11 value is 2. A12 value is 9 by 2. A21 value is 9 by 2. A22 value is 8. Problem is completed. Problem is completed. Okay, na? First work out the second bit, everyone. First. Everyone work out the first, second bit. Everyone work out first, second bit. Fast, everyone. Second bit also order is 2 by 2 matrix. Everyone start second bit, but here is given by a general element is given by second bit. The general element is given by what is the Aij? I by j. General element is given by I by j. First find out I by j. A11, write down A11 first. 1 I value is the 1, j value is the 1, 1 by 1 is the 1. I value is the 1, j value is the 2, 1 by 2. First work out A21. A21. I value is the 2, j value is the 1, its value is 2. A22. Yeah, I value is 2. First value is the I, second is the j. So its value is 1. Write down answer is. So A11 is 1. A12 is the 1 by 2. A21 is the 2. A22 is the 1. Finish. First, very good, very good. Very good, Nichal, and everyone is giving answer is the correct. Third bit. First, go through the third bit. Everyone go through the third bit. Only 1 minute is there. First, we can go through the third bit. 1, 2, 1, 3 by 2, 1, Nichal. All bits are right. Everyone see. Third bit is, everyone write down the third bit. Third bit is Aij, I plus 2j whole square by 2. First, everyone write down. Here is third bit is Aij is given by. So I plus first element plus second element square by 2. First element is the I, second element is the j. So okay na? So here is I A11. I place is the 1, j place is the 1. So whole square by 2. Its value is 9 by 2. Okay na? A1, 2. I place is the 1. 2 into j place is the 2 by whole square by 2. Its value is so 25 by 2. 25 by 2. Correct? Huh? Very good. 8. Very good. A31, A21. I place is the 2, j place is the 1 square.